Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to enable inventory tracking on Shopify Store. First of all, you need to open the Shopify app in the web browser. Then click on Products from Shopify dashboard and go into Inventory of Products. You didn't enable the inventory tracking on your products. That's why you cannot view inventory here. Then from Variants, click on the Edit button, which takes you to Inventory. From here, you can take the Track Quantity option. After taking the Track Quantity, you will be able to track inventory of Shopify Store. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.